If you think you've seen an alarm clock, think again. This is TickTime, and here's how easy it is to set an alarm. Whether you're cooking eggs, whether you're barbecuing, whether you're working out, it really doesn't matter. You simply set it, turn it, and it starts. Stay tuned for the whole video. In this video, I'm going to show you this brand new quick timer called TickTime. Beautiful, beautiful finish. And let me show you how cool this works. On the side, it's got 5, 10, 30, 25, 15, and 3. These are quick selections of the time down. So whether you're doing eggs, whether you're cooking pizza or whatnot, sometimes the oven is just not loud enough, especially if you're outside or maybe even barbecuing. So this is going to help you remember. Right here is your flashing. So it's got 2 buttons on here. One is to adjust the time in minutes and seconds. And then the other one is to adjust the volume, plus or minus. Now the volume can only be adjusted when it's flat like this, right? So now I'm gonna, so that's as loud as you can go, right? Now the cool thing is you don't actually set anything. You just put it down and then the gravity does all the work. So if I wanted to set the alarm for 15 minutes, just put it down like this. You see that? And now it's flashing 15. If I look at this way, it's already at 15 countdown. If I want to flip it again, add an extra 25 minutes, it's at 25 minutes. If I want to go 30, just like that. Super cool, right? Now, if you go down, you can reset it by pressing this button and it kind of pauses it when you lift it vertically. We're just going to add 5 seconds and put that down. Just like that. And if I want to go back down to 15, boom, 15, and it's counting down. And the killer, it's magnetic. Now this tick timer can give you 20 hours of continuous use time and 30 days standby, but you cannot use this timer when it's charging. I love this little trinket. Primarily, obviously, we're going to be using it for barbecuing. You can also use it for working out, right? So if you have an exercise that you want to do for, 3 minutes, you just put it down and then it starts counting down for 3 minutes, right? And then it starts beeping and then you can just roll it over and start the next exercise. Very, very convenient little item. And it's actually pretty cheap. It turns off automatically when you just place it after a little bit. And to turn it on, you just press any key.